Oh no, Barbie is sick. Let's get her better so she can go to the farm. I come in? Your room is a mess, isn't it? Do you think you can clean up your toys? I don't feel well. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll go get Chef to see if we can get you some soup. Maybe that'll make you feel better. Be right back. I heard you're not feeling well. I'm gonna make you some alphabet soup and bring you some tea. Be right back. No jumping on the bed. Are you skating? You're supposed to be resting. Here's your iced tea. Let's take your temperature. I want to play with my toys. I don't feel well. Oh no, my nose is running. Yum! There's my ABC soup. Uh-oh, I spilled the soup. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll clean it up. Why don't we put some more honey in your tea? Uh-oh, I spilled the tea. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. He's so soft. Kitty, where are you? Kitty, where are you? Good night. in the cage? What's in the cage? Ooh, it's a hedgehog. Can we feed him? I just want to sit here with him. I hope he doesn't run away. Look at the hedgehog on the seesaw. Look at the hedgehog on the seesaw. Can it go up and down? Oops, be careful. He might fall off. I thought you were coming with me to get the food. He's so soft. Look, they said I could take a cat home with me. I'm gonna adopt a cat. Come on, let's go. I have to get him some food. Come on, let's go. We have to go. I came back to pet another cat. He's so cute. I just want to sit here with him. I hope he doesn't run away. Some of the animals need water. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh no, Kitty's escaping. Can you get him back in the cage? I can't get him. Can you try? Let me give him one last pet goodbye. Bye, kitty, kitty. Bye, kitty, kitty. I had so much fun at the farm today. Me too.